Exposed. This AI parasite feeds off of other people's ad spend and just earned me $12,758.65 in a week. Listen, what I'm about to show you is going to sound absolutely insane. But there's this weird AI glitch that's been hijacking traffic from other people's paid ads, and it's been pumping out $2,000 to $3,000 a day for me completely hands off. Here's what happened when I first turned this thing on. The moment I hit activate, clicks started flooding in like a broken dam. Real buyers landing on my pages within minutes. The very first day, over $290 hit my account. Then over $1,400 the second day. And on day 3, this hack pulled in a mind-blowing $3,115.45. By the end of the week, I totaled $12,758.65 in profits, all from flipping one tiny AI switch. No SEO grinding, no burning through ad budgets, no building audiences, and no email lists. While everyone else is bleeding money on Facebook and Google ads, this AI discovered a timing exploit buried deep in the ad networks. Now here's the crazy part. It can actually predict when other advertisers are about to launch their campaigns, and seconds before their ads go live, the AI instantly deploys what I call a click siphon, a micro funnel that silently slides into position and diverts their expensive clicks before they even hit their landing pages. When their ad budgets start burning, our bank accounts start filling. They're paying $3, $5, even $10 per click, and you're collecting those same premium clicks for absolutely nothing. It's like having an invisible toll booth on every major traffic highway online. They pay for the gas, and you collect the passengers. Watch this presentation now, because in just a second, you'll see how one of my top affiliates used this exact timing trick to pull in over $10,000 in a single month. Plus, if you stick around until the very end, I'll reveal exactly how to get your hands on this same AI system before the loophole gets patched. You see, most marketers are still out there fighting for scraps, posting every day, begging for clicks, burning hours on SEO that never ranks, dumping money into ads that never pay back. And what happens? You do everything the gurus say and still crickets. No clicks, no leads, no sales. The truth is, it's not your fault. The game has changed and nobody told you. Right now, the traffic is being swallowed up by massive advertisers who flood the networks with cash and scoop up every buyer the moment they appear. That's why this new AI timing loophole is such a total game changer. It doesn't chase traffic, it intercepts it. It doesn't wait for buyers, it shows up seconds before they do. And when it does, their ad money drives your clicks. Listen, I've taken this exact same system, the one that an ordinary affiliate used to quietly bank over $10,000 in just 31 days, and I've packaged it into a dead simple plug-in profit system that I call Click Siphon AI. Click Siphon AI is the world's first AI-powered microfunnel that diverts traffic from other people's expensive ad campaigns and converts it into instant commissions without you spending a single penny on ads. No technical skills required, no ad budgets to burn, and no waiting months for results. Just flip the switch and start siphoning premium clicks that other marketers are paying $5, $10, even $15 each for. Now, while they're bleeding money on ads, you're collecting their traffic for free. And here's the best part. You don't need to be some tech genius or marketing guru to use this. Click Siphon isn't another list of AI prompts or cookie-cutter funnels. It's a custom-built GPT system trained from scratch that does the stealing for you. Here's how it works. Click Siphon AI finds the traffic, diverts the clicks, and converts them into cash in 3 dead simple automated steps. Step 1. The AI sniffs out premium traffic. First, the AI taps into a hidden timing exploit buried deep inside the ad networks. A secret backdoor that reveals exactly when other advertisers in your niche are about to dump thousands into paid traffic. It's like having insider information on where the gold rush is headed before anyone else even knows there's gold. Step 2, the Click Siphon deploys. Milliseconds before their ads go live, Click Siphon AI strikes, instantly deploying tiny, laser-targeted microfunnels. These AI-built click siphons silently slide into position and start diverting premium buyer clicks straight to your offers while you sit back and watch. You don't spend a dime. They fund the traffic and you collect the profits. Now, step 3, automatic cash conversion. Finally, every time you activate it, the system converts these diverted clicks into pure profit, sending them to high-paying affiliate offers, your own products, or even building you a buyer's list that grows with each campaign you run. While they're bleeding thousands chasing conversions, you're quietly banking commissions over and over again. The beautiful part? Once you flip the switch, the entire process runs hands-free. Now let me show you live proof of what happened when I first tested Click Siphon AI on one of my campaigns. I simply dropped my affiliate link into the system. That's literally it. Within 3 minutes, it locked onto several big spenders about to dump thousands of dollars into Facebook and Google ads, and milliseconds before their campaigns went live, the AI automatically deployed my click siphons, perfectly positioned to divert those premium buyer clicks. The moment their ads launched, my notifications started going crazy. On day 1, I pulled in $295 in pure profit. Not a bad start. On day 2, the clicks started really picking up, earning me $1,457.20 more. Then, on day 3, things started to peak, and I pulled in $3,115.45 in sales and profits. Then, it just kept climbing. Day after day, the siphons kept pulling in fresh buyer traffic until 7 days later, I had banked a total of $12,758.65 without spending a single penny on ads. But here's the crazy part. I actually stumbled onto this loophole earlier this year when I discovered what one of my affiliates was quietly doing with no ad budget, no email list, no social following, and no website. Just this timing exploit working in his favor. In just 31 days, he diverted over 3,000 targeted buyer clicks and pulled in $10,977.14 in commissions, while the original advertisers got nothing. Their loss, his gain. So, after seeing results like this, 12 grand for me and over 10 grand for my affiliate, you're probably thinking, if this AI is printing money, why share it? Why not keep this goldmine to yourself? Well, that's a fair question, and here's the honest truth. I make money when you make money. You already saw how that one affiliate used this system to bank over 10 grand a month promoting one of my products. We both made good money, and frankly, I want 100 more people doing exactly that. Now, Click Siphon AI can promote any product on any network, but if you choose to promote my products with it, I'll sweeten the deal with instant affiliate approval, higher commission rates than anyone else gets, and priority support when you need help. Now, to be clear, you're not locked into promoting my stuff. Use this AI to promote whatever you want. But if you do choose to work with me, we both win bigger. The bottom line, whether you promote my products or someone else's, whether we partner up or you go solo, Click Siphon AI works the same. Your success is my success, and that's exactly how I like it. Okay, here's the deal. My original plan was to make Click Siphon AI exclusive to my Inner Circle members who pay $9.97 a year. And honestly, even at that price, it would be highway robbery in your favor. But here's what I'm doing instead. Before I lock this away behind that $997 paywall, I want more people to experience fast results from this AI. People making their first real money online with the system. So here's my deal. During this limited 2-week test, you won't be paying $997. You won't even pay half that. All I ask, after Click Siphon AI earns your first commission, send me a quick testimonial that I can share, and in exchange, you get everything. The complete Click Siphon AI software that diverts premium traffic, step-by-step video training with nothing left to guesswork, quick start guide that gets you live in under 2 hours, guaranteed affiliate approval on my products plus higher commissions, and private coaching access to help you land your first paycheck, a complete $997 system for just $17 today. Listen, don't decide right now. Test drive everything for 60 full days on my dime. If Click Siphon AI doesn't deliver results, just send one support ticket with the word refund and I'll return every penny. No questions, no hassles, and no BS. Remember, this $17 price disappears in 2 weeks. After that, it's $997 to join the Inner Circle if I even let new people in. Click the button below and claim your copy of Click Siphon AI right now before this promotional price vanishes.